Okay. Our group, instead of focusing on one question, we answered 10 questions. So it's just an answer of the questions that we came up with. Okay.
Oh, okay. Number one, why doesn't the youth recycle as much as they should? The youth don't recycle because they're too lazy to even try to recycle.
Number two, what does leachate mean and what do they do? Leachate is any liquid that is passing through the exact soil or any other component of the material through which has passed. Leachate is a widely used term in the environment scientists where it has a specific meaning of liquid that has dissolved or entered the environment. Harmful substances which may then enter the environment. It is not commonly harmful substances which are used in the context of landfilling of waste in the narrow environment. Contents leachate is therefore any liquid material that drains from land or stockpiled material that contains significantly evaluated concentrations of undisposable materials divided from the materials that it has passed through. Okay.
Yeah.
How many landfills are there in New Zealand? There are about 90 landfills in New Zealand. When did landfills come to New Zealand? Landfills started in New Zealand at least 20 years ago.
Number 5. Who invented recycling? No one invented recycling because nature has a cycle of recycling. 6. When did they start recycling as a worldwide thing? They started recycling about in the 1970s.
Number 7, how many people do recycling often? No one really knows, but people are joining every hour. Okay. 8, why don't we recycle milk cartons? We don't recycle milk cartons because they have a plastic lining in the top which makes them uncyclable. Recyclable.
What would happen if we don't recycle? If we didn't recycle, the world would be a mess and nobody would be able to stand the smell. And the unrecycled rubbish would pile up as high as the Sky Tower. Number 10, what country is the greenest? The greenest country is estimated to be Canada.